These are the elevators at the Homewood Suites near Brandon in Tampa, Florida. We're gonna go up to 7. We're at 7. Let's go back down to 1. Also, that's a door close button on 7. You can see it says close. Here's your inspection certificate. Pretty quiet ride up until you get close to the top. Yeah, a lot of random thuds. Let's ride the other one. Real quick, here's a map. You can see it, these are the only 2 elevators in the hotel. Call buttons are Innovation Prestige. And it's on 2, so I'm gonna cut the one we get. Here it is. We're gonna go at 7. This panel has had fewer replacements than the other one. We're gonna end it. Actually, real quick, you can see a little bit up the shaft, but we're gonna end it back down at 1. As always, these are the loud Eco Disc brakes. £2,500 capacity. And that'll be it.